Now I am going to solve the easy practice question set. So first of all, here the first question is a, b and c are integers and a less than b less than c. Suppose I am assuming the value of a, b and c are 2, 3 and suppose 5. Then what is the value of AC? The value of AC will be 10, right? And the value of BC will be 15, right? So in this case, whenever I take, I am assuming the value of ABC uh, are positive. I am assuming the positive values for ABC. Then our answer will be BC greater than AC. But what if I assume the value negative? In this case, suppose I am taking the value for A minus 5, taking the value for B minus 3, and taking the value for C minus 2. So this is maintaining this condition. Okay, so now I am multiply AC. AC means this minus 5 multiplied by minus 2 means 10, and BC means this minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 means 6. So here in this case I find this AC greater than BC. So our answer cannot be, we cannot answer this question. So no one will be the correct answer. That means you cannot identify. So here whenever we are assuming the positive value, then our answer will be something like BC greater than AC. Whenever we are assuming the negative value, in that case the sign will be reversed. That's why the answer cannot be determined. This is question number 1. Now I am going to solve question number 2. So here x minus 1 divided by x equals to 2. So if I want to solve this one, then I need to do here cross multiplication. So this will be x minus 1 equals to 2. Now x equals to 2 plus 1. So it will be, sorry, I have made a mistake for writing the question for here. Okay, again. So if I do here cross multiplication, then x minus 1 equals to 2x. Now 2x minus 1, sorry, 2x minus x. 2x minus x equals to minus 1. So x equals to minus 1. Now I am going to solve number 3. The question is r equals to 2s and t equals to 3r. I need to convert this s in terms of t. So s and t will be in my relation. So s equals to r by 2 here, and here r equals to t by 3, right? So if I put the value of r in this first equation, then s equals to, what is the value of r? T by 3 divided by 2. That means t by 6. This is our answer. Now I am going to solve question number 4. So question number 4 will be a plus b equals to 2, and here 3a minus b equals to minus 14, right? So what if I multiply this equation with minus 3, then I will get 3a plus 3b equals to 6. So now I am going to subtract this one, so our sign will be reversed. So I'll get from here minus 4b equals to minus 20, then b equals to 5, right? So if I place this value b for b here, then I will get a equals to 2 minus 5, that means minus 3. So our answer will be minus 3 and 5. Now I'm going to solve question number 5. So here x square minus, sorry, plus 2x minus 8 minus 7. Okay, so equals to 7 here. So x equals x square plus 2x minus 8 minus 7 equals to 0. Then x square plus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. So if I distribute this 15, then I will get x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. Then I will get, if I take common x from the first two terms, then I will get x plus 5, and as well as if I take common minus 3, then I will get x plus 5 equals to 0. So x plus 5 and x minus 3 equals to 0. Now I can write that x equals to minus 5 and 3. So our value will be minus 5 and 3. So this one and minus 5. They didn't write here minus 5. That's why only 3. Now I'm going to solve question number 6. So here x less than 0 means here the x is a negative number. Suppose I am assuming x equals to minus 5 because minus 5 is a negative number. Now modulus of minus 5 means 5, right? So here they have written quantity of b means x. So how can I write x? Sorry, this is minus x. So minus x means minus, and what is the value of x here? Minus 5. So this is equals to 5. So this is equals to 5. This is equals to 5. So both are equal. Now I'm going to solve question number 7. A sequence A1, A2 is defined such that each term is less than the preceding term. Suppose the first term is an and the next term is preceding term is an plus 1. And what they have written that a sequence A1, A2 is defined such that each term is 3 less than the preceding term. That means this term is less than 3 with this term. If I compare these both two terms, then this one is lesser than this one, and how much lesser? 3. So a n plus 1, a minus a n equals to 3. So our answer will be a n plus 1, a n plus 1. Sorry, I have made a mistake. So here first again, let me think. Defines has that each term is 3 less than the preceding term. This term is less than the preceding. So suppose first term is this is first term an, and our preceding term is an plus 1. So here each term is less than the preceding term. That means an minus an plus 1 equals to 3, right? So I can write a n plus 1 plus 3 equals to n. So this is the answer, number B. Now question number 8. T greater than 1, it means t is a positive number and it is greater than 1. So 2t plus 5 divided by 3. Suppose I am assuming t equals to 5, then I will get 2 multiplied by 5 plus 5 divided by 3. So it will be equals to 10. 10 plus 5, 15 divided by 3 means 5. And what is the value of 3t? 3t means 15. So this one is 15, but this one is 5. That means the second quantity is larger. Okay, now I'm going to solve question number 9. Okay, this is a graph, and the question, the plot above shows the graph function f of x. So they have given f of x equals to x plus 1, and for what integer value of x in the interval shown does this one. So the question, the for what integer value of x in the interval shown does. So here look at this. Here the interval is here, right? So the value is 0. So the functional value will be 0. So x equals to how much? Minus 1. Now this one is 9. Now going to solve 10. At a graduation, guest in row such that there are p people in the first row and p plus 1 in seat in the second row. So row here and people here, right? So in first row people is 1, in second row people is p plus 1, and the second row and the third row p plus 2, right? So what is going here? Look, let us find out the pattern. So if I find here 1, then p plus 0, right? If I find here 2, that means p plus 1, man, that means p plus something which is less than this row number 1, only 1. Then similarly p plus 2, which here p is common for all the terms, plus is common for all the terms, but here the number of row is 3, that's why we are using here 2. So lastly they have asked that how many more people sit in the row. If the number of row will be n, then I need to write here p plus n minus 1, right? So this is our answer. So here how many more sit in row n than the second row? Okay, so how many more sit, right? So in the second row I have this amount of people, p plus 1, and in the nth row I have the number of people is p plus n minus 1. So if I subtract this p plus 1 from this one, then I will get p minus 1. So p plus n minus 1 minus p minus 1. So this p and p will be cut down, then I will have n my p into p n, sorry, n minus 2. So our answer will be this one. Now 11. N equals to 1 by n to the power n. So what is the value of n? 3. So if I place this value 3 in this equation, then I will find 1 by 3, its power is 1 by 3. So 1 to the power 3 means 1, and 3 to the power 3 means 27. Now I'm going to solve number 12. A dot B equals to AB divided by A plus B, right? So they have given me the number 4 dot minus 4 dot 2. So I need to replace A by minus 4 and replace B by 2. Here minus 2 plus 2. So I will get minus 8, and here I will get minus 2. So our answer will be 4, right? So this one. Now number 13. Here they have given the flavor intensity F of a sauce is given by the formula F equals to P cube S divided by A square, where P is piquancy, S is sweetness, and A is acidity. What is the flavor intensity of a sauce where piquancy means value of P is 2 and sweetness value of S is 1.2 and the value of A acidity is 0.4 square. So here this one is 8 and this is 1.2, and here this one will be 1.6, right? So if I vanish this fraction point, then I will get 8 multiplied by 12 divided by 16. So cut it down. So this one will be 2 and this one will be 6. So our value will be 6, right? Okay. Sorry, here the value will be 0.61. So 0.61, this one will be, that's why it will be 60. So this one will be 60. Then this answer will be 60. Now question number 14. 6c minus 3 here, and here you will get 3c minus 5. So c less than minus 1 means c is a negative number. Suppose I am assuming c equals to minus 5, then the value will be minus 30. Minus 3 means minus 33, and here the value will be c multiplied by minus 5, that means minus 20. So this one is this minus 20 is greater than this minus 30, so quantity B will be greater. Now this question here, mm, they have written what they have written 8x. It is quite difficult to read out the question. 8x, I think 8x, if 8x equals to, sorry, it is quite difficult to read out. Sorry, so that's why I cannot uh, try to write this answer, because this is not understandable. The distance between point Q and minus 1. So look, the distance between point Q and minus 1 is equals to 5. So suppose this point is here. So I need to find out the difference. What is the difference? Minus 1, between minus 1. So suppose this minus 1 can be here. This minus 1 can be here. So what is so line equal distance is 5. So equal distance means, suppose from here minus 1 to 5 means minus 1 plus 5 means how much? It is equals to minus 4, and here you will get, suppose, okay, let me think again. The distance between q and minus 1 on the number line equals to 5. So what is the value of q here? So the value of q from minus 1 to distance 5 means minus 4. Similarly, this one from minus 1 to suppose from minus 1, the distance is 5 means this will be in, if this one is in right side, then minus 1 plus 5 means 4. If this one is to left side, that this will be minus 5, so minus 6. So modulus of which one? Modulus of q means it will be sometimes 6, sometimes 4. So they are not equal. And this one, number 17. So this number 17, 3x plus 1 here and 2x minus 2 here, minus equals to 6x square minus 2, right? So let us multiply this one. So 6x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 2 equals to 6x square minus 10. So 6x square minus 4x minus 2 equals to 6x square minus 10. So this portion and this portion are cut down. So minus 4x minus 2 equals to minus 10. Then minus 4x equals to minus 8. Then I will get x equals to minus 8 by minus 4 means 2. So this is the answer. So they are equal. Now question number 18. So they have given that 18 is r plus s plus t is greater than 1 and 0 is greater than s plus t. It means this s plus t is smaller than 0. That's why they are negative. They are negative. So this s plus t are negative, right? So I need to make this answer 1 greater than 1. That's why this r will be positive. Of course positive. Without this and this r must be greater than 1. Okay, or must be greater than any value, this negative value, so that our whole sum will be greater than 1. So this r will be, they have given this the quantity of which one is bigger. So r must be greater than 1, because if this one is 1 and this one is negative, this one will be greater than, this will never be greater than 1. That's why r1 is always, r is always greater than 1. So this one is greater than. Now going to 19. So f of x equals to 3x plus 1 and g of x equals to x square minus 3. So if I place this, replace this functional value f of 4, then I will get 3 multiplied by 4 plus 1 means 13. If I replace this value by 4, then I will get 4 square minus 3 means 16 minus 3 means 13. So they are equal. Now the last one, question number 20. So question number 20, I will get p plus q equals to 3 and p minus q equals to 17. Then I will get 2p equals to 20 and p equals to 10. And here pq. What is the value of q here? So I will get the value of q will be minus 7. So what is the value of pq? So pq will be, value of p is 10 and value of q will be minus 7. So minus 70. So thank you. We have solved these questions.